John, thank you. We'd like to bring in Jeffrey Robbins right now. He's former counsel to U.S. Senate investigators. Jeffrey, thank you for being here. And first, just your reaction to the focus of this warrant and what was reportedly discovered in Mar-a-Lago.
Well, the revelation that a federal judge, on the basis of detailed evidence provided to it, found probable cause to believe that the former president committed three quite serious federal crimes, one of which carries a maximum term of 20 years. That's not an ordinary day in American history. So it's a very sobering day, especially when you ask yourself what it was that he was intending to do with these documents and why he took them and refused to turn them back.
In your opinion, did the search warrant seem appropriate, or was it too broad, as some had accused the FBI of?
No, these are plain vanilla. This is a plain vanilla search warrant. There's nothing out of the ordinary about it, other than that a federal judge found that the person who probably committed a federal crime was the former president of the United States. But procedurally, this was by the book. You can go to the bank on the fact that this was the best vetted, most comprehensively vetted application for a search warrant in the history of search warrants.
And can you talk about what is the next step now in the legal process for the former president?
Yes, well, he now has to go to bed every night understanding there are squadrons of agents and lawyers poring over this evidence, along with the other evidence that they're poring over with respect to other investigations, to determine what the quantum of evidence of culpability is against him. In the interim, there are also going to be, no doubt, people who have knowledge of how this occurred, how these documents were taken away, not returned, then not returned again, and apparently hidden, how all that happened. Those individuals are going to have to make a choice for themselves whether or not they want to talk to the Department of Justice about what happened, and that is to say, cooperate. And that's going to be something that's going to be a process I would expect that's going to be ongoing more or less starting now.
Former counsel to the U.S. Senate, Jeffrey Robbins, thank you for your insight. We appreciate it.